guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I am Caitlin, and today we are going to make ham sandwich pin rolls, or ham sandwich roll-ups. You're going to take all the ingredients that you have on a delicious deli ham sandwich, and we're going to roll it up and make nice little appetizer bites out of it. Super good. It's a great thing to do with leftover ham. You know, you cook a ham, you have a lot left over. This is something easy to make. It's also a fun appetizer for a game day or a party. You guys are gonna love it. Let's get started. So we have puff pastry here that we thawed out on our counter, and we're gonna do a little bit of Dijon mustard right over the top. You don't wanna go overboard with it, so just kind of sprinkle a little bit like that, and then spread it out. After that, we're going to just line up our other ingredients. We have a sliced cheddar cheese here that we're going to lay into our puff pastry, like so. You should need about 6 or 7 slices to get all the way to the bottom there. The next step is to take some real nice diced up ham and just lay it over top. You can actually make this recipe too with slices of ham, but the diced up ham kind of gives it like a nice flavor, some texture to it, so just lay it out right on top. Last step is a sliced pickle, nice and thin. If you got a ham sandwich at a deli, you know you'd be getting a pickle, so I wanted to add that flavor in to this roll as well. The only thing is that you don't want the pickles to be too juicy, so the best way to do this is lay them out on a paper towel before you're going to do the recipe and kind of just press them out. You want all the moisture out of that so it's not seeping out of your roll, so just press it all out. And when your paper towel is somewhat dry, that's usually a good place to go, and we're ready to put them in. You're gonna add your pickles just right over top before we get ready to roll this bad boy up. You're then gonna roll up your puff pastry, put it in a 400-degree oven, and cook it for about 15 minutes. You know that it's done when the bottom of the puff pastry is a nice golden brown, and obviously your dough is cooked. After that time, slice it up, plate it, and enjoy. It is super yummy. You're gonna love it. It's like a deli sandwich in a roll. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes like this one. Find me on Instagram, Cait Straight Up Cooking, and I'll see you next time, guys. Bye-bye.